Hello friends, let's do automatic wiper project. To do a connection, we required following components: Arduino Uno, raindrop module, rain sensor, servo motor, jumper wires. First, connect the raindrops module to the sensor by using the female to female jumper wires. Now we connect the jumper wires to the A0, ground and VCC terminals. Now connect the VCC to the 5 volt of Arduino. This ground terminal is connected to ground and the A0 is connected to A0 of Arduino. Now we connect servo motor to the Arduino. For this ground terminal is connected to ground. This middle terminal VCC is connected to 5 volt. And the third terminal signal pin is connected to pin number 9. So all the connections are done and it looks like this. Now we are going to upload the program. This is our program. After uploading the program, our project is working like this. When the water is detected by the module, then servo motor start rotating like this. So this is our project model and it works like this. When the water is detected by the sensor, the servo motor is rotating. So this automatic wiper we use in vehicle to detect and improving the driver convenience and safety. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.